I will give now name. Now we have to give formula. This is a simple task. Okay. We'll cross check whatever we learned last class. We understood and we remembered or not. We are going to be cross checking right now. So just revise your notes. Few minutes. And I told that one you need to remember atomic masses. So you remembered or not checked first. Now I am going to be asked you calculate the atomic masses or mass of compound. Then you have to calculate that is clear. First revise notes few minutes. That's the last class we discussed. Because still our friends they are joining still. That's why. Okay, I think so. Your revision completed last class notes. Shall we start? Fine. Write the chemical formula of potassium dichromate. Can you try? Potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate chemical formula. Just write. I think so. Potassium K plus dichromate. The dichromate formula given Cr2O7 2 minus. Then crisscross will get 2 for K, 1 for this is plus 1. Take number one sign 1 only, number not sign. Then 2 you can write potassium. Then Cr2O7. This is 1. whole power is 1 means nothing but you can write K2 Cr2O7 potassium dichromate. Can you try boron nitride? Boron also valency 3. Okay, boron nitride. Boron nitride. Boron nitride. So N is 3 minus. I think so. 3 will be cancelled here. B3 and 3 will get, but which is same numbers means you can cancel. You will get Bn. Did you understand this logic? 3 plus 3 minus will be cancelled. Whatever that is a formula simply. For example, sodium sulfate Na plus SO4 2 minus. To neutralize 2 minus, how many Na plus required? Because this is one only. I need 2. That's the reason I am writing here Na2SO4. To get neutral, our target is neutral always, just neutral. So this is plus 1. This is 2 minus. How can you cancel each other? This is 2 minus, so I need 2 plus. That's why I'm taking 2 sodium. Clear? So now I'm going to give some names. You have to give that formulas. Clear? See, just a minute. Can you write here zinc phosphate? Zinc phosphate. Zinc phosphate. Then you should not refer again your notes. You are referring means you didn't done last class work. You need to remember everything. Just I'm asking you how to give answer directly. If anyone you are referring zinc oxidation state, then phosphate you are referring means not good. So that meaningless. Means even we are not studying. No use of that one. Zn3 PO4 taken twice. If anyone that state, please avoid that one. Next class, we have to remember that's enough. Which we are giving, we have to give answer back. Don't refer notes. If you are referring means again you didn't done properly. Simple logic. So means we are not learning properly. That starting classes only try to stop that one. I know how to write. I can do later. So this type of attitude never work to crack JEE or NEET, whatever. Especially entrance exam, never that won't support entrance exam. Now I am giving small. I think it's already done, but little bit these things. You know or not? Means you remembered or not yourself. That's only my question. Now we can see here. Last class I given same pattern. You have to write here. With name, keep in mind. Okay. With name. Li plus Hg plus Ag plus Fe2 plus next Al3 plus Ba2 plus Zn2 plus. Just this practice purpose only we are doing. Just starting we are learning all the basics. Now here corresponding anion, right? NO2 minus. Names I am not giving. You have to write your names. These names respective. CrO4 2 minus. If you don't know, you can note down. This is chromate. Chromate. I think so. SO3 2 minus. You know already. And Cr2 O7 2 minus. ClO3 minus. And last one CH3 COO minus. So I need corresponding formulas with names. You can try. Hg plus this is. If you are not understanding anything, let me know that one. Hg plus, lithium plus, Ag plus, Fe2 plus, Al3 plus. First note down table properly. The first one is nitrite, NO2 minus. Next, chromate. Sulfite, SO3 2 minus name is sulfite. Dichromate, ClO3 minus is chlorate. Chlorate. Chlorate is the name of ClO3 minus. This is acetate already given. Okay. Acetate already given, CH3CO minus. Now write formula followed by names. Try to avoid to refer your class notes. You should be remember. That's the reason I told that when you have to practice on rough paper all these things again one more time. If you take light, so sir is not looking. Okay, I can do like this. So your wish that is. CrO4 2 minus chromate. CrO4 2 minus name is chromate. Mostly this is the last date for this one, last class for all the basics I'm expecting. Good. Completed? Good, good. Some people already completed. You should not use ferric here. Ferric is +3 oxidation state. If you are using iron sulfide means you have to mention iron 2 oxidation state like no Roman letter iron. Okay, iron 2 you have to keep, iron sulfide you have to keep. Otherwise you can use Fe2 plus means I given ferrous. This name is ferrous. Fe3 plus means ferric. This is ferric, ferrous. This is ferric. This is ferrous. 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 Ferric is +3, which is highest oxidation state, that is ic. Okay, which is highest oxidation state always end with ic, which is less oxidation state with us. Clear? You can see one first one Hg. You can suppose you are writing Hg. You wrote anyone Hg? Hg NO2. Next Hg2 CrO4. Hg2 SO3. Hg2 Cr2O7. HgClO3. HgCH3COO minus. So HgCH3COO you can write. Anything doubt, let me know. I will write that formula. So just this practice purpose I given, because already you know all these things. Anything name? Hg +1 you can use mercurous, OUS ending, mercurous. You can use name mercurous sulfate, mercuric nitrate, mercuric chromate, mercurous sulfate, mercurous nitrate, like that. Mercurous. Hg +1 means mercurous. Array which is suppose lower value. You have two chances here. That's okay, fine. You can see later, that is. Any doubt you can ask here with respect to aluminum +3 you can write this cross method, then followed by zinc. I hope you can try. Doesn't matter what they given. Okay, so you can write first formula, then followed by names. You can try, that is. Mercuric nitrate is wrong. Mercuric nitrate, when you have tried, mercury is +2 oxidation state only. Mercurous is correct. Array mercurous means OUS, spelling will come. OUS, mercurous, I think so. You may can check. Okay, later spellings not matter here. I told you very starting class. Just I am chemistry teacher, not English teacher. Keep in mind. But at least you know formulas more than enough. You can do. For us, just ABCD is more than enough to crack JEE exam. Fine. Here you can see. I think so. Some people you wrote mostly. If you have any doubts, you can ask. I am giving few compounds again. How to write this class? Suppose aluminum chromate they given aluminum 3+, chromate formula Cr2O7 2 minus. Just crisscross only. Number you can write for aluminum 3 for. So whenever this compound will come like this, keep bracket in bracket Al2 Cr2O7 like This is the bracket you have to write, then write number. If 1 means you don't want to write, but remaining anything you have to write. This is aluminum chromate. This is aluminum dichromate, you can write. And aluminum dichromate, why I'm using di means here 2 chromium. That's why I'm using di. All these are not systematic names. Most of the things common names. Okay. We have IUPAC names. Those are systematic names. Now just we are learning what we are using in examination, all the terminology. Clear? And what they are using in laboratory terminology. Lab. Whenever they are doing experiments, they are doing lab. In that case, what the terms they are using. So common names we are using, all the things. I think so. You can write now formulas, whatever. Clear? So I will try to give some names, few names. Can you try answers? Right? Zinc nitride. Zinc nitride. Sorry. Zinc nitride. Zinc nitride. Next. Copper sulfite. I'm writing very clearly. See, copper 2. 2 means oxidation state is 2. Copper 2 sulfite. Let's check yourself you are able to write or not correctly. Copper 2 sulfite. Next. Gallium sulfate. Gallium. If you don't know, I will give that symbol. Doesn't matter. Okay. Gallium. Gallium means Ga. This is also plus reaction state. Okay. Gallium. What given? Sulfate. Next. There are some people, if you know, you can send SMS also no, to chat. You can find that is answers you done or not. At least some people I can find it. Find out. Nickel bromide. Yesterday I given all these charges last class. Nickel. Okay, I'm giving anyway. 2. Bromide. 4 you can try. Either 4 or 4. Zinc nitride. Someone they wrote correct. Nickel bromide correct. Fine. Gallium sulfate also correct. Good. So next, zinc nitride. The nitride. Zinc nitride. Anyone who wrote correct answer? Zinc nitride. Yeah, someone they wrote correct zinc nitride also. Fine. Yeah, we can discuss that is. Yeah, good. You're writing good. Zinc nitride. IDE means that is element. Zn 2 plus N3 minus. So just you can crisscross. So Zn3 N2. This is the zinc nitride. Clear? Next, copper sulfate. I hope you can find out. Cu 2 plus SO4 2 minus. Array, same charge means they can cancel. You don't want write. Simply directly write CuSO4. I mentioned in bracket 2. What is this meaning? That oxygen state is 2. Copper sulfate. Please recheck how many people wrote CuSO4 correctly. Answer. That is correct. Gallium sulfate. I think some people already they wrote correct. Good. This is 3. Gallium 3 plus. Sulfate how much? SO4 2 minus. Then crisscross. We'll get here Ga 2. SO4 taken thrice. Now the last one, nickel bromide. Nickel how much? I think this is most of the people they wrote correct. So Br minus 1. Just crisscross. Ni1, Br2. Yes. Please check how many people wrote correct. Even small mistake only. Don't accept that one. Okay. So done mistake. Train your brain. So done mistake, I have to do next time perfectly. That is a way you have to do. Understood? Don't accept any mistakes. Check your answers correctly. If anything mistake around that one, fine. Okay, fine. What I given here, copper sulfide. Sorry. I think sulfide, good. You can do that is. Yeah, someone they remind me, good. Copper sulfide means SO3 that is, not SO4. Good. SO3 2 minus, not SO4. Okay. CuSO3 is the answer. Copper sulfide I given. Copper sulfide. Copper sulfide. Clear? Next you can see. Sulfuric acid. Right, formulas only I'm asking. Sulfurous acid. Maybe spelling's mistake, but don't think that one. Right formulas enough for us. Sulfurous acid. Next. Nitrous acid. Mostly won't get spelling mistakes. Nitric acid. I need all these formulas. Clear? Next. Phosphoric acid. You make and share through SMS. Don't think I'm giving answers wrong. If you are giving wrong means we are going to remember long time. Whoever can give their answers even correct or wrong, that's very good. That is okay. Because we are learning situation. That's the thing. But after learning, don't give mistakes. That is fine. Okay. Starting we are giving mistake, nothing is the problem. That's we have to do mistakes also. Science means we have to do mistake. Then only can learn properly next time. If we are not doing mistake means we are not learning properly. Phosphorus acid. We have different names, fine. At least few we are writing that is. We need to get difference between these things. Next slide, I will give that one. I think so done. Most of the people. I need to see some people they send here. S3PO4, fine. HNO3, okay. Yeah, correct. Yeah, some people again good, correct. So sulfuric acid means H2SO4. This is H2SO3. Nitrous acid means HNO2. Nitric acid means HNO3. Phosphoric acid means H3PO4. Next, phosphorus acid means H3PO4, PO3. Next, chloric acid. chloric acid, you make and write HClO3. Perchloric acid. HClO4. Fine. Now corresponding you can see which is we are getting here. Corresponding anion SO4 2 minus. This is we called ATE. End name end with ATE. Which is ic acid we are getting. Ic. That corresponding ending one name is ATE. Can you find that one? Ic ATE. Us acid OUS. Think this color is suitable, are able to find Us acid. So SO3 2 minus, that is ITE, end with ITE. Sulfuric acid, sulfate. Sulfurous acid, sulfite. Now you can write name also. I wrote ATE, you can write full name. Sulfate, write that is fully. And sulfite, write fully name. Be active mode. Don't be sleeping mode. And you are thinking somewhere. Don't do that one. Try to learn all these basics. Once you learn basics, we can enjoy chemistry later. You can enjoy all the chemistry classes. Nothing so done. Next, I hope you can write this is directly. NO2 minus. What you can write? Nitrite. Nitrite. ITE. Here, yes, you can write. I hope you people done. NO3 minus. Nitrate. ATE. Keep in mind here, ATE, ITE. When we are using ITE, whenever Us acid will come, that is ITE. Ic acid will come. What we are going to be considered here? ATE. Clear? Or you can see how they are forming all these things. We can see later. Everything. Now we are learning just names only. Try to bind that names. That remember that names. That's I'm expecting from you. We'll discuss everything. We'll discuss. We are going to be study very clearly all these things. Lateral filtration methods, chemical properties. Now our target just names. What about this is PO4 3 minus. What you can write here? Phosphate. Here you have to keep in mind HPO3 2 minus. You make and write phosphite or hydrogen phosphite. Hydrogen is there, you can write hydrogen phosphite. Phosphite or hydrogen phosphite. Clear. Okay. Next. This is chloric acid I given already. Chloric acid. So this is chlorate. You can write ClO3 minus. This is chlorate. Chlorate AT. Okay. This is perchlorate. Per. ClO4 minus. So name is perchlorate. Here. Perchlorate. Clear? Perchlorate. So I think so you got my intensity where you have to write AT, when you have to write IT. That is my intensity ultimately. Now if I'm asking sulfide, sulfate, phosphate, nitrate, you should not get any confusion. Okay, try to learn all these things and remember. If you remembered, we can go further. Means how much you remembered, you can give some small questions. So check first you remembered or not. With charges means we need to write now formulas. Take challenge how many people you can write without saying. If you are not able to write, then check again, no issue that is. Huh? But ultimately, are writing correct or not, that is also important. Alright, we'll discuss. Some people they are asking why, sir, why not 3 we can't remove only HPO3 2 minus you are writing. So good question that is. That depends upon structure. You can get all these things. Just coming classes only. We are going to discuss all these things. First chapter only I will complete. Generally, this will come later, but we can discuss in first class also. Here. To understand that thing, you need to know little bit chemistry knowledge. That is my intensity. Not okay. You can explain everything, but you can't understand. Already I told you, you are starting phase, chemistry starting phase, like alphabet clear learning. Directly you are asking sentence meaning means even I am giving, you can't get that point. So first learn all the things names perfectly, you can get. You don't worry, everything we'll discuss. Phosphorus has it 2 minus only. Okay, because I didn't remove 3 hydrogens, only 2 hydrogens I am removed. That's why 2 minus. So how many hydrogens you are removing? That much charge you will get up. Here 1 hydrogen you are removing. That's why 1 minus. Here 1 hydrogen, 1 minus. We are removing here 2 hydrogen. That's why 2 minus. Clear. So how many hydrogens you are removing? That much minus. Because hydrogen is plus 1. If you remove 1 hydrogen means you will get 1 minus extra. So plus minus going to be cancelled. Simple thing. If I remove 1 plus meaning, here we will get 1 minus. If I remove 2 pluses here, H2, okay. If you are removing 2 plus means, we will get 2 minus. That's simple logic. Clear? I think so. We're done this is. Shall we write some formulas? Means based on this only. Simple things. Which is I explained. Based on that, you can get questions. Right. And I'm giving just name. You can write. Yes. I'm right. I'm giving names one by one. Try to note down. Okay. Be careful that one which is your writing name. Sir, again repeating that one. I'm now starting. Everyone be ready and note down. Even you are asking, repeating, you can't ask. I can't do that one. Anyway, I will repeat once or twice. But again, please attend that one. Attend you more. Then try to note down. All right. Barium sulfate. Barium sulfate. Next. Calcium sulfite. Sulfite. ITE. Calcium sulfite. Next, third one. Right. Silver nitrate. Silver nitrate. Silver nitrate. You can write these three first. Again, you can continue that one. These three can complete. Yes, barium sulfate, correct. Calcium sulfite. Listen my word. Calcium sulfite. Calcium sulfite. And last one is what I given, silver nitrate. Silver nitrate. Yes, most of the people they wrote correct. Very good. That is BaSO4, CaSO3, AgNO3. Good. Next, fourth one. Right. Array ferric meaning already I given. I think so you noted down. Ferric means 3. This is ferric. If you don't know, again note down that is. Again, you can't revise. Try to remember. Ferric means 3. Ferrous means 2. Once point we given means try to note down that is here related or not doesn't matter. If you don't know that point, you can write in notes corner. Doesn't matter. Always in future also. I seen especially I faced year only problems when I was teaching in KNMS. Students, most of the students, they don't know which is they have to note it down, which is they don't want noted down. I seen those are that is not the attitude to get IIT or NEET anything. That is not the way of preparation for entrance exams. They are listening simply, they never noted down. We have to tell some people I note down number of times. If that type of way of your learning program is there, that's not going to be success. If you are something you are giving word that's you don't know, doesn't matter. You have to note down that is on notes. My note should be very clear, sir. I am maintaining color pens. Doesn't matter here. Right on corner. Whatever you don't know that points, right here corner one by one. No one think that one. We don't know that concept. You have to note down. And you should not wait about most of the time. You should not wait for dictating. Sir going to be dictate after I can note down sentence formation, everything good. Why you can't write once you listen that concept? You are almost studied at 11 years or more than 11 years English medium. You can't make one English sentence properly. Topper and normal student difference. Just 1 minute. Okay. Topper means top rankers, which you can assume top 10 or top 100. Even 1000 also good. Very good rank that is. These people and who are getting 20,000 are not qualifying people. Difference, that one. These people, they listen first concept here, whatever teacher teaching. Okay. After that, they will make their own notes. Whatever they understood, a way of understood, that's they will make their own notes here, step by step. Everything they will make. They won't depends upon teacher. Clear. And more than even they are not qualified general students, even they are getting more than 20,000. Okay, especially assume that one who are just entering IIT people, those people, they are waiting for teacher. Just they are waiting what teacher going to be dictate. I will write that sentence. Means you don't have confidence about what you listen that one. You don't be in that under that category. Whatever you understood, write your own words. Even Tamil also doesn't matter. We have to write what you understood. That required for entrance exams. For board exam, you can buy one solution book. Even nowadays that available in market, even app they have solutions. Same thing what they wrote by head and write, you will get full marks. But entrance exams, whatever you understood, that's you need to write on paper in different manner. Your thought should be different always. Which you see one subject, whatever that they can see different thing here, which is that person they can look this corner only. Okay, here that person they can see this is and other person, so different way they can see that one. Science is like that. Even in front of you your view is different by looking that object, that science. Okay, that's why science always different. You have to see new way, always new method. So different methods you have to see that one, and different directions you have to see that one. I think you understood. This is starting classes, leave that one. But in future, whenever classes going on, even don't think that one my notes going to be wastage. I am writing 2 times. Don't think that one. We are learning first time. Whatever teacher teaching, first listen clearly, then note down that concept. Very shortcut also, no issue. Mostly SARs or teachers they will dictate again class notes. Again you can note down. Doesn't matter. Clear? But suppose you are in the situation, sir going to be tell, please note down, please note down. In that situation, suppose you are going to become in future. We seen so many students, they came like that future. Those are struggling to pass board exam. So in front of you, two ways. Either we are active mode or inactive mode, you can decide that one. Whatever reason you join JE mode means we have to try our best. End of the day, we are getting rank or not secondary. You should not fail to attempt your exam. Means proper manner. We may fail final exam, doesn't matter, but at least we have to try our best. This is my capability. We have to know that one. Please be in that mode. Don't be. Okay. I given ferric and ferrous differences you find. Now write. Ferric chromate. Ferric chromate. Ferric chromate. You wrote ferric chromate. Very clear, sir. Question. Ferric. You find my word? Ferric chromate. Fine. Next. Things you done, that is ferric chromate. And one more. Tin SN. 2 is the oxygen state, SN2. Okay. And one more, this is tin 2. Lead, PB. This is 2 we have, as well as even same. SN4 also possible. PB4 also possible. Just note down, later may you can use. And oxalate, I'm giving one more. C2O4 2 minus. This also we are using frequently. C2O4 2 minus. Oxalate. Oxalate. C2O4 2 minus. Oxalate. Silver SN2 possible, 4 possible. Array which is less number, that is us. Okay. OUS, you can note down. Which is less number, this is us. Maximum number, IC, that is IC name. Suppose Stanus, I can use Stanus. Stanic, this is Plumbus and Plumbic. So we can do all these things. Plumbus, Plumbic. Like ferrous, ferric, we are using a IC. IC means maximum, that maximum number. Us means minimum number. Try to note down the small points. You can easily find. IC means that should have maximum number. Us means minimum. I think so. Ferric chromate you wrote. Ferric chromate. Fe3 plus CrO4 2 minus. I think you noted down very clearly. This is Fe2 CrO4 taken thrice. Can you write ferrous oxalate? Ferrous oxalate. Ferrous oxalate. Ferrous oxalate. And ferric oxalate. Both you can write. Ferrous oxalate and ferric oxalate. Try. Ferrous oxalate and ferric oxalate. Array plumbus, plumbum, PB, that is Latin name. What is that PB? Lead actually are using this is this Latin names. Okay. Plumbum, something that is Latin name. You can find today. Plumbic, plumbic or plumbus, something that names is that is the Latin names. Latin names. Okay. This is actually SN means tin, but why we are using stanic? That is Latin name. Silver, AG we are using. That in argentate something is there. AG. Gold, AU. RM we are using. Those are Latin names. All these are Latin names. I hope. I think you've done. Ferrous oxalate and ferric oxalate. Ferrous oxalate. Ferrous means Fe how much? 2 plus. Oxalate how much? C2O4 2 minus. So 2 will be cancelled. Can I write directly FeC2O4? This is. I hope everyone got ferrous oxalate. Ferric oxalate Fe3 plus C2O4 2 minus. Can right answer here? Fe2 C2O4 thrice. All these things I am going to use in redox reactions. Keep in mind, that is the reason I am giving all these compounds here. You have to know how to use that formulas. Ferrous oxalate, ferric oxalate, all these things. Most of the students, they don't know how to write, then they are losing marks. They know even concept how to solve, but they don't know all these things. Got? I think so, no doubt here, I'm expecting. Some difficulties will be present because this one-way conversion. Like you are seeing in movie in theater. You like that scene or not, doesn't matter. You have to see that one. Clear? So like that way. Even here, some people you understood, some people may not be, because all the people you can't expect same level. Yeah, most of the people they given correct answers in chat box. Good. Or yourself you can check right now. Later once live classes we can do. Fine, this sir. I think so. You are good in names. We're expecting how to write these formulas. Practice again. Okay, everything. Next class onwards, we are going to be start our lesson directly. Who are absent? Some people. If your friends is already attended, take from them WhatsApp notes and maintain one note separately. This all these basics also should be have that one your notes in chemistry notes. And second thing we got this is atomic masses. You got. You learned that one up to 20 at least. That's the last class homework I given. Atomic masses. You learn properly. Or any notes up to you, that is, but maintain proper note. That's one notes only can continue later also. Don't keep now rough notes if you are being in holidays mode. Okay, not holidays. Keep in mind this is your target directly. Keep long notes, properly maintain. This final notes for JE notes. Keep that JE notes. Note down everything properly in that notes. And write your notes very properly, because we have to feel that one. I have to study my notes again. If you wrote some Chinese language, Japanese language, you can't understand your notes, then you won't like to study your notes also. Then waste that is. Even still now, some people, you know your own language, how to you are writing. Even my language means writing, handwriting skills not good, but still you can maintain something better. How much you can give your best, you can try. Shall we see atomic masses little bit? I'm expecting what tomorrow, practice today only. Hint I am giving what I'm going to be expect tomorrow. For example, I think atomic masses you remembered. H2O. What is the weight of H2O? Weight of H2O. Okay. How to calculate already we given. Hydrogen atomic mass how much? 1. Oxygen how much I given? 16. Clear? Just add here. 2 hydrogens means 2 into 1 mass. Plus how much oxygen? 16. Total how much? 18. Clear? So this is the atomic mass of water. H2SO4. Try. H2SO4. Are if possible, no need to by head, but try to remember, because frequently we are using this one. We can save our time when you are solving problem. Yeah, H2SO4, some people they given good. Even water anyway, most of the people they given very good. Good. Like be like that only. H2SO4. I think hydrogen 2 into 1. Right, just additions only, all these things like vegetable calculations. Suppose you went when shop any supermarket, you buy so many things, then they will give final counter, what is the value, like that only. These are numbers we are adding. 2 into 1 plus sulfur how much? 32 plus oxygen how much? 4 into 16. Add all these things. So 98. H3PO4. Right. Mostly our mathematics student become in future mathematics only. Be in calculations perfectly. Okay, don't neglect. you have done these are mistakes, me that is shame for you. Really, mathematics students should not do any mistakes in the calculations. Done S3PO4? Can I see anyone who done answers? Yes, correct. Yeah, some people they are keeping unit also very good. Array 98 you should be get answer. Check that one. Some people they given different answers. Array 31 phosphorus. I given 31. Huh? That's why yesterday I given some rough marker weights last class. Try to use that one. It doesn't matter. You are using grams or AMU doesn't matter. We can see that next class clearly. When you have to use grams, when you have to use AMU. We'll discuss everything. Yeah, clear. Some people that yes, correct. I am able to see. You are going to be shown through video. Fine. Correct. You fine. And next one more. Sodium sulfate. Can you try? Sodium sulfate. Yeah, magnesium sulfate. Because we are using these are degree of hardness water calculations. CaCl2. If any slide you need, I think so today we discuss briefly, but any slide you required, let me know. I will open that is again because time is going to go over. We didn't see that time. Sodium sulfate, how much we are getting? Na is 46 to sodium 23 plus 23 plus 96. You can calculate how much we are getting. 46 plus 96. Here you can find out magnesium 24 plus 96. Very good. CaCl2. Triple one, sir. Answer correct. The previous class notes I didn't save anything here. Maybe you can ask host. Maybe he saved that one. He can send you that one. I didn't say. Maybe host can do that one. Who are conducting online class? That person can chat with him and get everything. And I'm expecting something you are learning through me. We're expecting that is okay. Don't feel some people already know these things. Don't feel already you know sir all these things. We feel bored. Don't be like that. Okay. We'll learn everything properly. So the starting only, not okay. Once we enter in the lesson, you can see that is take challenge. How much I can do problems, how much you can think, everything. First slide I given just crisscross method I explain again. Who are absent last class? The charges already I given last class. That's why I didn't write anything now. Just crossing opposite charges we are writing. If same charge you can cancel directly, you can write. And second slide I given how to write all the table. Okay, by applying crisscross method. So note down cation anion, then apply crisscross method, then write formula. Hey, don't be absent mostly chemistry classes. So how to apply again crisscross method I explained here, and we given names, you wrote formulas, good. Then again here also same thing I explained here. Ic acid, acid differences we explained. I think we got today differences. What is the difference between ic acid, acid and ATE and ITE? What is the difference between AT and IT? Keep in mind those things. And mostly that's we explain how to make notes. And again same thing I given here. New thing is oxalate. One more here oxalate. And ic and us already we given. Low oxidation state is us and higher oxidation state is ic. Or a higher number, lower number. That's only. I hope these only done today. And masses. Next class I'm going to be asked you masses. Be ready that one. Try to remember up to 30 elements. I told that one. And 30 elements practice on rough paper. At last tomorrow, by looking this one, your name, you have to send through, you have to show at least webcam. Okay. If practiced or not. I need to see that one. I believe that one students only rough notes. Even you are giving orally answer, I won't believe that one. Clear? I'll ask you show your notes what you practiced yesterday. At least which is we done all these things. Again, names you can practice. And already so many compounds you wrote. Yourself you can practice molecular weights, how to calculate. And then I also given today some table also. Then calculate how to calculate their molecular weights. Clear? Yourself you can choose so cation and anion, then write formula, then calculate its molecular weight. This I'm expecting for next class. Okay. Bye. I hope you are learning something. Fine. You can take break now. Yes, on rough paper only have to practice everything. That rough paper or I will ask that one. Either main notes also you can practice your wish, that is up to you. You can stop today.